How you doing, everybody? We're back again. Wesley's here. And guess where we are? We're in Kentucky, not Georgia. And I'm here to see a friend, and we're going to explore some abandonment in the process. Let's see what we got. Y'all, so we're in the abandoned school here. It's been a while. Let's see what we got. We have full permission to be here. We are in Kentucky, here to visit a friend, and while we're here, we're checking out some abandonment. So we got a little double whammy here. We have to be careful. This place is not structurally sound, and it used to be an elementary school. And then summer school. That might be the main entrance, I think.
Yes.
So you got stairs to go up that way.
Stairs up that way.
Let's go this way.
Alright.
Remove chart. Remove chart. Remove chart. That's creepy with the desk.
Yeah.
So these are some classrooms here. Oh yeah. Watch your step. Big old open area. And just the front walkway up to the front door.
Oh.
Alright, so we're going across the hall here. Here's another classroom. And then you have the first chalkboard we've seen, right, Wes?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Then they put glue on it to put the dry erase board.
Yep.
This is where kids would hang up their backpacks. This old speaker box there. I should have asked her when this place closed down, but we can do some research. There are some other buildings we get to explore. Hopefully they're open. Another classroom here. What's going on down here? You know yet?
No.
It's kind of an interesting shot. So you got another classroom here. Yeah, it looks kind of normal. Let's look at the floor. Yeah, that's about 25 feet down right there.
That's whole floor is shaking.
Let's get off of it.
That's whole floor is shaking.
Let's get off of it.
That's whole floor is shaking.
Let's get off of it. Speaker right there. A lot of these are left on the ground. It's one of the first ones I've seen up. Alright, so we're about to go down here. That doesn't look creepy at all. Let's roll. Watch your step. Alright, so we're on the bottom floor. Yeah, it's pretty dark. And of course I heard something down there when that happened. Okay. Bathrooms down here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Golf club.
And this is the caved-in classroom. Okay, so let's go in here first. That's the sink. It's in here. That's a good shot right there. Old pencil sharpener attached to the desk.
Somebody's been in here.
Somebody's been in here. Yep. Light. What is this? That engine?
Yeah, an engine.
So freaking look at the exhaust on it and everything. This is where we could have came through right here. This is where we could have came through right here. This is where we could have came through right here. Big old tractor or something. Like the car parts and engine parts in here. Somebody was in here not too long ago sitting down having a 6-pack.
Hello?
Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so we're in a different section of the building here. I bet when you first saw that, your stomach dropped.
A little bit.
What do you use this for? Leaking out stuff. Leaking out stuff. Leaking out stuff. What's this one? You said living room?
Yeah.
The heck? A teacher's lounge. Look at this on this table. How to survive a zombie attack. Home is where the hatchet is. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Where to, buddy? Ooh. This way. Then you have the old smoker there. Oh my gosh. Look at this bed in this room. Crazy, this bed still here. Alright, so there's some other structures here on the property that are connected to the building. We're gonna try to go check out here. We pretty much gutted out this place, so if we see anything else in here, we'll put it in the B-roll. Let's roll. This looks like this is a gym. It's probably locked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around this gym, and then if we find a place in, we'll start the footage back. Okay, so we are in the gym now. These are the stands.
Okay.
Yeah. Just thankful we got to find a place like this.